I'd like to show you what's new on your Chromebooks this year. So let's check it out. Something new on your Chromebook is called Screencasting, and it's available on your Chromebook now as long as you have the latest update. So make sure you update your computer and then look in your apps for an application called Screencast. So we're going to use Screencast right now. I'm going to click on the icon down here in the bottom on my dock. And when Screencast opens, I have the ability to create a new screencast. And you might see some videos at the top of yours that explain screencasting. So you can watch those as well. So I'm going to create a new screencast. And you're going to see in the middle of my screen, it says click anywhere to record a full screen. And you can see me here in the bottom. But I can move this so that I can be seen somewhere else. It can be on the top. I can be in any of the four corners of the screen. I can also minimize it to make myself a little bit smaller. So now when I'm ready to record, all I need to do is click anywhere on the screen. So I'm going to click. It's going to give me a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And now I'm recording. So you're going to notice down here in the bottom, I have a pen and I have a red dot. If I click this pen, I can now annotate on my screen as I'm recording. So maybe somebody tells me that they want me to show my math work. I could potentially write on here my math work and give a recording of that. Now, when I'm done, and maybe I don't want this, what I annotated on top to show anymore, I'm going to go back down and I'm going to click on the pen. So now that disappears in my recording. And when I'm ready to stop recording, all I do is click this red dot here at the bottom. So now I'm going to stop my recording, and you're going to see that is uploading my file, and it is actually going into my Google Drive right into a folder called Screencasts. So it's uploading it now, and let's just see what it looks like. It does take a second for it to process because it's a video, so it's not something that you can share or open right away. It does take a little bit, and the longer your video, the longer it's going to take. But now you can see that that video is done. And now if I click on it, now you're going to notice right here in my video that I now have transcript beside my video. So if I messed up here, maybe I didn't say this right, I can go ahead and edit my video by clicking the 3 dots and skipping this section. So if I messed up as I was going along and I was recording, if I just pause for a second and say it again, then I can quickly edit my video by skipping it in the video. And so it skips it right there. Now, the other thing that I can do is if I just want to go to a certain part of the video, oh wait, let's look at this. So right down here, you can see that the translation or the transcript, it's usually pretty good, but I can see that a word is wrong. So I can edit that text. So it says I can click on the pan, which I mean pen. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to change that to pen and save that. And now that saves my transcript for that. But let's say that I want to go to a specific part of my video. If I go down here and click on that part of the video, it takes me to that part in the video, and then I can begin playing it right from there. So this is a simple tool that you can use on your Chromebook as a student or as a teacher, and you can easily turn it in or share it with somebody in Google Classroom, or you can share right here. To check out more tutorials within the screencast, if you don't see it at the top already, you can go to the 3 dots and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you'll have these quick little tutorials on how to use the various parts of the new Google Screencast. Enjoy it!